Good day, everyone. This complete renovation of this 2 bedroom and 2 bath is proceeding according to schedule. The home is being redesigned to meet the client's desire for relaxed living, highlighted by a modern kitchen with an island, laundry room, a significant storage solution, and expansive porch tailored for enjoyment. Our current focus involved the specialized work of installing column caps, which are a key component now ready for final foundation concrete pour, also known as casting. A column cap, often called a pier cap or a capital, is a specialized structure component designed to sit directly on top of a vertical support, such as a concrete column, masonry pier, or wooden post. Thank you for watching. Stay tuned for more updates.